Hello everyone, thank you so much for watching this video. This video is all about Rahu and Ketu transit for Virgo zodiac sign. So for Virgo zodiac sign, Rahu is transiting in Taurus, that is ninth house from your moon sign, and whereas Ketu is transiting in the third house from your moon sign. Okay, so let's talk about first about Rahu. Rahu will be providing some kind of testing period during this point of time in the areas of your fortune. So what are the efforts that you are putting? You might need to put more efforts because luck is not favor for you during this point of time. But the foreign distance, foreign travels will be fruitful for you because ninth house talks about foreign travel and Rahu is the planet of traveling. So traveling will be fruitful for you during this point of time, and especially for the long distance travels will be fruitful for you. And obviously for the people from India and from different countries, they can go to abroad, so there is a lot of chances for you to get success in the abroad. And most importantly, relationship with your father will be diminished during this point of time because of friction caused by Rahu's transit on Taurus, that is for the ninth house and for your moon sign. So make sure that uh, you think before you speak to your father, and most importantly at your family environment also there won't be that much of harmony and affection from your family members. You will not be able to get good support and understanding from the family members. You got to explain them twice to make them to understand in a way what you are talking about. So because, and also there will be communication losses as well because Ketu is transiting in the third house. Third house talks about communication, networking, business. And Ketu also signifies spirituality. So become more spiritual during this point of time. Please ensure that you think twice before you talk, especially with your father, because that may cross this transit might give some kind of friction and disturbances into your family environment. And most importantly, Ketu in the third house will not be giving enough of courage to you, so you need to depend upon some kind of self-help practices to get your courage back. You'll be always questioning your confidence level. You'll be always questioning your courage levels. So make sure that get you don't get down because of your low confidence issues. Please work on that. Do some meditation and also become near and dear to the God so that all the blessings will be for you. And the people who are into the professional friend, there will be a friction. There will not be good support from the workplace environment people as well. Even from your peers and subordinates, there won't be much support of you. So and also there won't be enough of rewards and recognitions for the work that you are performing. So you got to put extra efforts in order to gain the reputation from your subordinates or superiors. And Rahu in the ninth house also talks about religion. So you will not, you may be triggered to go into the wrong means. So make sure that you think twice before you are performing anything. And also please take care of your finances because this is not the time for you to invest into larger investments, especially in your business. So make sure that you take a calculative risk in terms of your business pursuits. And also most importantly, don't do the speculation because speculation will not be yielding the best results for you during this point of time. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. For Virgo moon sign, both Rahu and Ketu transit are not favorable, so you got to be honest in your means. You got to put more efforts during this point of time to yield good results. All right, so thank you so much for watching this video, guys. And if at all you need my consultations, the link is mentioned in the description section. So once you provide an order, I'll be able to provide you the complete analysis pertaining to your birth chart. And do subscribe to my YouTube channel if at all you're watching this video for the first time, and click on that bell icon next to subscribe button so that you'll be notified on the future videos. So my objective is to help you with the knowledge on Vedic astrology. So please do watch my videos and do mention in the comment section what exactly you love from this video so that I know that you are following my videos. Alright, so thank you so much and stay tuned, and do watch the Jupiter transit video as well for Virgo zodiac sign. Check it in my YouTube channel. There is a Jupiter transit video. Do watch that as well because Jupiter is the planet of wealth, relationships. Jupiter is the Karaka for children. Jupiter is the Karaka for marriage. Okay, and Jupiter is the planet of expansion. So please do check that video also, and so that you'll be able to understand the complete knowledge related to Vedic astrology. Okay, thank you.